You might be wondering why this inconspicuous boy just poured his whole can of sparkling water into a plant.
The fizzy beverages we drink from time to time actually contain a plant growth boosting molecule, CO2. Through the results of a science fair and various studies stretching decades of research, we have discovered that CO2 saturated water helps plants grow at a faster rate, sometimes more than twice as fast. This is because CO2 is crucial to the productivity of photosynthesis and the supplemented CO2 supply from carbonated water that causes plants to produce a larger glucose supplies.
Our innovation, kelp, is comprised of two main parts: CO2 capture and a self-carbonating system. For the CO2 capture, we have an industrial-sized fan funneling air into two layers of a cotton fabric sheet embedded with carbonic anhydrase and chitin. This filter slowly saturates with a liquid bicarbonate solution gathered from the atmospheric CO2, which drips down into a pressurizer tank through this tube. The CO2-less air is released back into the atmosphere through this exhaust pipe. The bicarbonate solution sits in the tank until a sufficient amount of the solution is gathered, measured by the fan runtime.
This solution is then pressurized, which preps it to be dissolved in water. Once the solution has been pressurized, a valve controlling the flow between the pressurized tank and water tank is released. The water in the water tank is now self-carbonated through the built-up pressure, and after a few hours, the now carbonated water is ready for use.
Through an outlet on the carbonated water tank, a hose can be attached to water whatever plants you wish to grow faster or to yield more crops.
Our innovation aims to decrease the CO2 in the atmosphere and food insecurity.
We hope we can help bring kelp to light and to fruition.